Hi guys and welcome to another Yumanashi video. In this product development video we give you a view behind the scenes about the research, development and CNC machining work from the Yumanashi F220DP 4-valve head. This video illustrates in short, the work Yumanashi is doing to release very soon an optimal new 4-valve cylinder head, with dimple ports, to be installed on the old Forza 125 engines. But also, and this is very important, on the old 2-valve ESP engines, such as PCX1-5, PCX150, Vario and Click 1-5 or 150, ADV150 and so on. The number 220 in the code is a reference to the stainless steel 22mm intake valves we are using, and letters DP in the code stands for dimple port, which is the golf ball profile we are machining into the intake port to reduce air drag and to improve the airflow. The F in the code stands for Forza, and this is because we are using a 4-valve Forza 125 head and are working optimal flow ports out based on the mini flow bench test results, as you can see the test here done in the video. The flow bench allows a quick and easy means of quantifying gains or losses. A typical valve opening fixture consists of a rigid stand and dial indicator, and this allows us to register gains or losses for every 0.1 millimeters we open or close the valve. And backed on this research, we are able to create an as optimal as possible port profile for this Yumanashi F220DP 4-valve head and any cylinder head basically. You can see that on the dynamometer. Air going into the engine is registered via an airflow meter installed in a dyno hat, a large funnel apparatus that is attached to a carburetor or throttle body. In contrast, the flow bench is comprised of a series of vacuum motors and registers airflow by measuring it at a constant pressure. Test data derived on a flow bench is measured in cubic feet of air per minute CFM. Beyond the ease of testing, the flow bench also has the ability to measure flow into directions, thus quantifying the effect of intake and exhaust components. Once we have the optimal port profile, we can enter the specification into the 5-axis CNC machine, which ensures that each and every cylinder head produced will end up with 100% the same specification as the first head produced. Precision and consistency is really key for high-performance engines, and therefore Yumanashi is using the Rottler 5-axis CNC machining center, which is produced in Kent, Washington, USA, as the preferred machining center. The choice for the Rottler machining center doesn't make the end product any cheaper, rather the opposite. By choosing for the Rottler machining center, Yumanashi is able to work as optimal and consistent as possible to get the performance Yumanashi is looking for, and this for each and every cylinder head produced. The dimple port, aka golf ball profile, makes the machining time and programming work for the 5-axis CNC machining center basically double as long and expensive. This again doesn't contribute to get the lowest price to produce, but the best possible port as end result. Here you can see the first of the 2 intake ports machined, and this is the first step before machining the dimples in the port. Here you can see the start of machining the second port, and this illustrates why the machining time of CNC porting a 4-valve head is so much more compared to porting a 2-valve head, which results again in a higher price tag. So this is the final result, and you can see how it looks like when the second phase is done with machining the dimples in the intake port. Once the intake ports are done, the exhaust ports are centered by using the infrared touch trigger probe before starting the phase to machine the 2 exhaust ports. CNC machining the exhaust ports can start once everything is confirmed to be 100% centered. And this is then the end result. We hope you liked this Yamanashi research and development video and that this video can give you an idea about what to expect from the new Yamanashi F220 DP head for the 2-valve engines. We also hope that this video could illustrate a bit about what we are doing behind the scenes, so the only thing left for me now is to thank you for watching and looking forward to meet you on the next video. And you have any questions, thought or suggestions to us, then we truly love to read about it in the comments section below because this enables us to get a better insight in your needs and allows us to make better products for you.